My name is Divinely Koof, and I support this message. What's up, guys? Welcome back to RV Koof, where everything is caravans, campers, RVs, tiny houses, and more. I forgot Divine Adventures. But welcome back to my channel, RV Koof. I'm your host, Koof. I'm so happy to see you guys today. I feel like I've been waiting to do this. You know, it's the final reveal. It's time to finally show y'all what the room looking like. It's been a minute. Is the final reveal of my room. So I'm doing like a little corny backup vibe. I love my room. I am in my room a lot more, and I know it's because of this great TV. I love this TV. I'm so happy I changed it because I would for example, I watched Demon Slayer. I watched the first, what is that called, the first season on my small TV, and I feel like I didn't really watch it because I didn't really get the full effect. But yeah, I just finished the last season. See perfectly, nigga. I was all back here, my boy. Thank you so much, MTV. MTV fixed my crib. Do y'all remember those people who used to go ride on the bus, and they would go and help families in need and rebuild their homes and rebuild their home for free? And then at the end of move that bus. I want to be them guys. I want my nonprofit to be so large that we can just go and help families in need, build homes. This is why I'm also pushing the RV content, because I know that this is something that needs to be in the front line of that conversation. I like the color because it brightens the room. And my homegirl Lala, she was making fun of me because she was because the first color green, she was like, why you keep choosing these bright colors? What's going on? But I was trying to tell her, I'm I only have one window in my room. You know, the bathroom brings in a lot of sunlight, but it's still, I only have one window. Especially when I shut the door, the door separating the bathroom. Yeah, so that's why I went with such a bright color, guys. You know, originally I was thinking about a burnt orange, but I really like this blue purple color. Everybody says it looks blue. I feel like it looks like it's purple, but everybody says it's blue, so I guess that's what it is. But I feel like it's purple. I love the cabinets. The cabinets are probably my favorite part of it because it lightens the room too, so I fuck with that. And then I also love the fact that I use my room door that usually is an exit. I use it as a closet because I didn't have much space. I got these plastic drawers from Target, or did I get those from Walmart? No, I got them from Walmart, and they're working the space for now until I find something or until I build something, which I would like to do eventually. I want to at least put some real shelves in here, and I actually have storage under my bed, which a lot of RVs and campers do have that, but it's a crazy mess under there. So that's something you guys might see me do, organize that, get that shit straight. You guys, I love you guys. Stay tuned for more. Stay tapped in. Please like, comment, subscribe for your boy. And remember, everything is happening in divine timing. Everything is happening in divine timing. I love you guys. Stay easy.